Have you ever gone up to someone, shaking their hand, and they go, "Oh, nice to meet you," and you're like, "Yeah, we've met before." Oh God, terrible, right? It feels terrible because at the end of the day, we want to be seen, we want to be heard, we want to be remembered. I'm Nick Bonitatibus. On today's episode of Home Care Digital, we're talking about how to get remembered and results. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video for some awesome resources. We so often are looking to be seen, be heard. We want to be this yellow umbrella in this sea of black. But here's the thing. Growing up, I know for me, it was tough. You want to fit in, you want to blend in, you don't want to bring any attention to yourself. I know for me, my dad used to always say, don't bring any negative attention to yourself. And to me, that always, I think, circulated into myself and just never really trying to bring attention to myself. And I ended up being really shy growing up. So if you are an introvert, I can relate. I know what it's like when you go to a networking event and you have to introduce yourself and everyone's going around the room and you're just thinking about, oh man, what am I gonna say? And your palms start getting sweaty, maybe a little tension in the neck, and you just keep trying to rehearse in your head over and over again. What am I gonna say? What am I gonna say? What am I gonna say? Oh my gosh, my turn is coming, my turn is coming. And then it comes, you say something, you realize you haven't listened to a word that anyone else has said because you were so focused internally on what you were thinking about. So I feel you, okay? I know what it's like to feel that introvertedness, but at the end of the day, if we wanna grow our business and we wanna grow our brands, we have to be willing to be seen. We have to be willing to be heard. Think about it, right? Business is about attention. And so often, and I hear this all the time with clients whenever I'm speaking at events, people say, I don't like bringing attention to myself. Well, it's time to change. If you're one of those people and you wanna grow your business, we need to shift that mindset. We need to change how we think about what attention really means. If you truly have the best interests of your clients at heart, which I know I have met so many amazing home care business owners over the years, and you guys have such incredible stories of why you got into this business. You truly want to help people. You truly want to make a difference, and your services can do that. But it's up to you, because the more attention that you bring to yourself, the more people that you can help. So what's more important? Oh, your feelings, you don't want to bring attention to yourself, or all the people that you could help by bringing more awareness to you and your brand? We have to be out on the rooftop screaming, this is who I am, this is what I do, this is how I help people. Everyone should know exactly who you are, what you do, and who you serve. Think about marketing, right? The activity or business of promoting and selling products or services. In order to market your business, you have to promote yourself and your business. And if you're just getting started or you're looking to get to that next level and you're not already making sure that you're being seen and heard in everything you're doing, both in referral sources as well as what you're doing online, and we're gonna get to the how, but this is a fundamental piece of marketing, understanding that we need to promote ourselves. People need to know who we are and what we are doing. The question to ask yourself is, do people even know what it is that you do? Like if you went to friends, family, relatives, do they know that you own a home care business? Do they? Because this is a fundamental aspect of even our just small network, not even people that don't know who we are. How about the people that do know us and whether or not they know exactly what you do and how you help people? You may be thinking like, oh yeah, maybe people know. But if people are asking, hey, what do you do? People that should know you, then you're not doing a good enough job into promoting who you are and what you do. So how can we go about doing this? The first thing is social media. When it comes to social media, you're able to connect with so many more people to see and hear you. And with that opportunity, we're connected with even just 100 Facebook friends. That's like a minimum. I think I'm at like 2,000 right now. Steadily climbing because I get a lot of friend requests from other home care owners and different entrepreneurs. But this idea is steadily growing our own personal Facebook pages and getting people to know who we are and what we do. That is part of self-awareness. That is part of branding, letting people know what you do and how you help people. Notice how I've said this many, many times. Repetition is the key to knowledge. So there's a reason why I keep saying it. I want to share a quick story. This is my old boss and mentor, Steve the Hurricane. And as you can see, this is actually a photo of him at a Giants game. And the reason I share that is because there was this time where my friend, when I was working for Steve at Home Care Evolution, my friend was watching a Eagles video about a tailgate. They were playing the Giants. And in that video, he saw Steve the Hurricane at a tailgate having an amazing time. And he messages me and goes, "Is this your boss?" and sends it to me. So the reason I share this story is at the time working at Home Care Evolution, doing what I was doing within my market, the way that Steve does social media as well, and just being seen and making sure that everyone knows what you do, that my friend from college actually knew who my boss was and knew that he was named Steve the Hurricane. So it just goes to show you that when you're properly marketing yourselves on social media, that people know who you are and what you do if you're doing it right. The more people that know your brand, that know who you are, that know what you do, the greater success that you're gonna have, the greater results that you're gonna be able to generate. So how can you stand out? How can you make this impact, make a splash to really be seen from all of these other people that are out there in your network, in your market? Think about some incredible speakers that are out there, from Tony Robbins to Oprah Winfrey and Brendan Burchard, Teepa Snow. Hope you're familiar with her. She's incredible, speaks about dementia, very popular in this home care space and wellness when it comes to dementia. We want to make sure that we are being similar to these incredible people. And what do? They leverage resources and tools like video. When you can showcase and you can put yourself out there on video, you're going to be seen and heard by so many more people. More people are going to know what you do. They're going to know how you help people. That is essential. Leveraging both social media and video become an incredible asset to getting remembered and getting results. The more that you're consistently showing up in front of people on their news feeds in a way that drives results, in a way that's providing value, and you can see a bunch of other resources and videos that I have that talk about more of what to post. But this is the element of, hey, how can we be seen? And if you're thinking, Nick, I watch your videos, I still have never made a video, I don't want to make a video, I just can't do it. Here's the thing. So many people are thinking the exact same thing. That's why this is such an impactful strategy. It's why I've been spending more time on just helping people to create video versus necessarily just creating social media posts, because you're gonna get such greater results from making videos than you will for multiple social media posts. When we create video, when we show ourselves online, we're doing things that other people aren't willing to do. I love this quote, and actually Steve the Hurricane shares it all the time. It's, I will do today what others won't, so I can do tomorrow what others can't, by Jerry Rice. This is such an impactful quote, because if other people are not willing to do video and you are, then you are automatically standing out and separating yourself from all of these other people. So if you're thinking, oh, I don't want to do video, think about all the other people that are also saying that. If we want to be seen, if we want to be heard, we need to be loud about what we do and how we help people. And when we do it from this educational standpoint, then the more people know exactly what you do. And this happens to me all the time. People come up to me and they go, yeah, Nick, you help people with video in home care. What is home care? Most people don't even know what home care is, right? So it is that element, but the more that you consistently show up online, the more that people will remember you and the more results that it will drive. It means more referrals from social workers, other referral sources. It means more clients, people in your network, word of mouth, people knowing who you are and what you do, as well as caregivers, because a better online presence you have, the more that your caregivers are seeing what you're posting online within your business pages, your personal pages, getting that great reach, building your online brand to be seen and be heard. Are you looking to boost your home care brand? Go to thedigitalchamps.com/brand.